Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to install the door lock rods to give you door lock knobs on the rear doors of your 2011 to 17 Caprice PPV. With these vehicles used in police service, the door locks are often removed by the police upfitter or at the factory, so you need to figure out how to get those installed. And in this other video, I show you how to remove the door panel, also reconnect the interior door handle on the rear doors, so check that out. I'll have a link in the upper right hand corner down in the description section of this video for that video. And you need to get two parts, one for each door. There's a left and a right version of these, and there's also versions specific to the 11 to 13 versus 14 to 17 model years, so check the description section for the appropriate part numbers for your vehicle. Once you have the door panel off, you'll see this rubber grommet inside the door panel in the upper rear corner of the door, and you remove that, and then once that's removed, you'll take the tip of the door lock rod for that side and insert it into a rubber grommet that's inside the door latch, and you'll see it pretty obvious here. This is the one on the passenger side rear. So you twist it a little bit to get it inside there. It takes a little twisting, but then once it's in, you put the rubber grommet over it again and stand it upright like that, so you can insert it into the hole that's present in the door panel. So we'll see that here, and it looks like a regular doorknob after that. So you, of course, reverse the steps to install the door panel, and then on the other side, it's pretty much identical. It looks a little different in color. It's a yellow piece of plastic here on the door latch or the door lock portion of it. But you do the exact same thing. Take the tip, insert it into the rubberized grommet inside that, and then you can see the lock rod. I don't have the rubber piece in the door yet there. But with that, you have, again, the driver's side version of this installed, and then with the rubber piece there. And then, of course, you go ahead and put the door panel over that. So if you found this to be helpful, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to get notified when I upload new videos just like this on the channel. So thanks for coming to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.